Okay, I'm gonna take the swing off first. Well, the slides it gets. I've borrowed her little bucket here.
The big ones are over here, Papa. This is where we're picking them. Those are little. That orange one? And that big white one over there. Uh-oh, Papa's cutting it. Don't break the thing off. Oh Too big. Yep, that one.
Baby?
Are you wanting him to pick you a small one? Okay, we will. We'll pick a smaller one for you. Go ahead, Papa. I want you to get all those big ones. Woohoo, Noah! Look at your pumpkins!
What else? It's got stickers, doesn't it?
We should have put his little gloves on.
You can hold that.
Pick it up.
Whoa!
Pick it up by the pumpkin, not by the handle.
Can you hold it? Oh, he can do it.
Let me see. Oh! How did you get up there? Over here, there's a ladder. Yes.
You're such a lucky boy. Did you say thank you?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah! Oh, I thought
Oh, she can. Yeah.
you don't want to have a big string, you know. Look at your grill. Here's your pots and pans right here.
Whoa!
Wow, baby.
That's your own little kitchen, bud.
Almost.
Yeah. We'll take them off.
Duder, are you happy? Did you say thank you?
That's yours too. That's yours too.
Papa, did you say thank you to Nona and Papa?
Isn't it?
Amazing.
Woo! The skeleton went down the slide. I'm right here. Bye.
Stone Row, is it Mama, Papa?
Good job, Bubba. Is that your green mushroom? Put it there. Leave it there. Oh, they won't do anything.
Oh,
No.
it had its like little butt.
Yeah, they're little tiny bees, but they don't bite. You want to go back down the slide?